What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Deathbed by Powfu. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to your 5th fret. It's got 4 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song, and as always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Now I'm going to go ahead and warn all of yous, the song is not in tune. I don't know what they did, I don't know why they did it, I don't know if it's on purpose, but it's in between tunings, so these are the correct chords, but it's gonna sound a little funky. So you're gonna start out with a G major chord. It's gonna be 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. Ring finger 3rd fret low E, middle finger 2nd fret A string, and pinky finger on that high E on your 3rd fret. Then you're gonna go B minor, which is 0, 2, 4, 4, 3, 2. Don't play anything on that low E. Bar the 2nd fret with your index finger, ring finger on your D string on your 4th fret, pinky finger on the 4th fret of the G string, middle finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. And then go C major, which is 0, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0, ring finger 3rd fret A string, middle finger 2nd fret D string, index finger 1st fret B string. And then finally, you're gonna go C minor, same formation as your B minor, you're just sliding it up 1 fret, where you're at 0, 3, 5, 5, 4, 3. Bar the entire 3rd fret with your index finger, and then ring finger 5th fret D string, pinky finger 5th fret G string, middle finger 4th fret on your B string. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's gonna be down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm going to pick 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now, all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm going to live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Billy Schultz Music. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.